Ginger has been used for centuries in both Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese herbalism. In traditional Chinese medicine, it is considered to be a warming spice, helping support energy and disperse cold in the body. Ginger is rich in health-promoting compounds like vitamin C, amino acids, and various trace minerals like calcium, zinc, sodium, phosphorus, and more. Drinking ginger tea is one of the healthiest ways to reap the health benefits of ginger root. Here are just some of the known and suspected benefits of ginger tea. Number 1. Fight respiratory problems. Ginger tea can help relieve congestion associated with the common cold. Try a cup of ginger tea for the respiratory symptoms associated with environmental allergies. Inhaling the steam from ginger tea may also help relieve nasal congestion. Number 2. Improve blood circulation. The vitamins, minerals, and amino acids in ginger tea can help restore and improve blood circulation. That may help decrease the chance of cardiovascular problems. Ginger may prevent fat from depositing in the arteries, helping to prevent heart attacks and stroke. Number 3. Pain relief. Ginger has been used to treat inflammation for centuries, and this practice now has a body of scientific evidence behind it. It's been shown in several studies to help relieve pain from osteoarthritis of the knee in particular. Ginger tea may also help alleviate headaches, menstrual cramps, sore muscles, and other types of pain. Number 4. Relieve nausea. Drinking a cup of ginger tea before traveling can help prevent the nausea and vomiting associated with motion sickness. You can also drink a cup at the first sign of nausea to relieve the symptom. Number 5. May support healthy blood sugar levels. Maintaining healthy blood sugar levels is important for so many reasons. Keeping your blood sugar in check can give you more energy, help manage cravings, can aid in weight management, and help you sleep better. And ginger tea can be a secret weapon in keeping your blood sugar levels healthy. Number 6. May support immunity. It's believed that the antioxidants in ginger can help strengthen your immunity and reduce stress. Research has even shown that ginger may help prevent cancer. In laboratory research, ginger has been shown to fight several different types of cancer cells, including pancreatic cancer and colon cancer. Number 7. Relieve menstrual discomfort. This one is for all women suffering from menstrual cramps. Try soaking a towel in warm ginger tea and apply it to your lower abdomen. It may help relieve the pain and relax the muscles. At the same time, drink a cup of ginger tea with honey.